Hello and welcome to the channel. My name's Anthony. On today's service light reset episode, we are going to do the oil life reset procedure on a 2020 Ford Explorer. This is an ST, but this will apply to the other models as well. So we're inside the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and push the start stop button on the right side of the steering wheel one time. This will power on the accessories and the instrument cluster. Next, to clear through any messages, we're going to go ahead and push the OK button as many times as necessary to clear through any of the messages that are on the instrument cluster. Then you're going to go ahead and push the menu button on the right side of that pad, and you're going to scroll through this main menu until you get down to settings. So you're going to scroll through, you might see a screen like this. Just keep going and you'll see settings. Hit OK. Hit OK for oil life, and then simply hold OK to reset it. It'll count down and trigger, and once the message goes away, you can go ahead and click it again just to verify that you're at 100%. But that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more content. Appreciate you supporting the channel and appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.